MOSI and Moo!
Episode Guide: Mermaids and Starfish.
Hello, my name is Serena Candello, and I play Belle on MOSI and Moo. It is my hope that this episode guide will give you the support you may need to explore, integrate, and expand our program into your classroom or home. In it, we'll discuss the components of our Mermaids and Starfish dance story, including our dance adventure, nursery rhyme, and related dance games. In our ocean dance adventure, MOSI and Moo embark on a journey under the sea to find the mermaids. In the episode, we cover locomotor, traveling, and non-locomotor on-the-spot movement, the creation of variety of body shapes, and using dances to express the movements of marine life that one would find under the sea. Specifically, we're exploring the ebb and flow of water, the swishing of the seahorse tail, the scuttling of a crab, and the movements of many underwater sea creatures, along with their bobbing and floating actions. In this dance adventure, we also find the challenge of jumping up through the water like a dolphin and different ways we can swim too. Our opening song for the episode always acts as a solution to our dance adventure. This overarching curriculum theme of Under the Sea simply introduces the life that lives below the water, fantasy and real. Pretending, improvising, mimicking these kinds of movements is absolutely delightful for this age group and provides diverse dynamics and body shapes, fantastic locomotor patterns. In each episode, we touch also on core values. In this dance adventure, MOSI realizes that with the help of Moo and the viewers at home, they can problem solve together. Two heads are better than one. The notion of brainstorming and collaborating to find a solution is what we highlight at the end of our episodes. It's really important for children to problem solve and figure out an answer to an issue that they're facing. This ability creates a sense of independence and resilience in a child, and also it builds their confidence. In our series, problem solving from a child's perspective and the inclusion of their suggestions is paramount to coming up with her final solution. If a child is able to solve problems on their own, they essentially become more independent and they feel resilient and happier. This is why in MOSI and Moo, problem solving is at the center of each and every episode. Here's some questions you can ask your children figuring out problems or highlighting the importance of problem solving. What things can you do by yourself? Have you ever had to come up with your own idea? Can you share that with us? When it comes to developing the dance language for the child in this episode, we can unpack them by taking a closer look at the steps we use. The actions in this episode, or what can I physically do, include the following. In the Swish It dance, we do a step that's based on galloping and moving your torso and trunk side to side like you're swishing a tail. Near the episode's finale, we turn to the swishing into a quick shake to shake off the starfish. In the Krabby Blues, truly my favorite, we dance to the rhythm and feel the blues by shifting our weight side to side with the action of a crab scuttle. Crab claws are also featured in this song with a snapping action. I've also included balances on one leg, then the other. In Dive Like a Dolphin song, dancers run and do high gallops with accompanying arms moving as if they're pushing and jumping through the water, up through the waves. The idea here is to get kids moving dynamically through space. The arm shape moves just like a jumping dolphin or like the crests of a wave. In our nursery rhyme, row, row, row your boat, we move as if we are rowing a boat, rocking forward and backward, again, weight transferring, and also my favorite, the TikToks, side to side, where children, once again, take their weight from one side to the other. The ways to expand the theme of Under the Sea are many. And once again, as everybody knows, I love integrating the arts with pairing up a craft idea with our dances too. Creating a paper plate octopus or using bubble wrap to do prints on a paper starfish or paper bag jellyfish puppets are my favorite. There are incredible children's books on the sea that you can read to your children. My top faves are Mr. Seahorse book by Eric Carle and The Rainbow Fish, a real popular book by Marcus Pfister. I hope that this episode guide was helpful. Please check out our website for a more comprehensive list of ways to expand our ocean dance adventure. Thank you so much for listening.
MOSI